Alright guys, so we're going to look at index and match. Right, so in the previous video we discussed index, and then a video before that I guess we discussed match as well. So we're going to combine these two together to make a powerful lookup formula. So index and match is going to overcome all the challenges of Vlookup, Lookup, and then index itself. So how do we combine this? We're going to tell index, right, again to say index, I want to look up values in this table array. I want to find items in this table array, and I'm going to fix this. Then I'm going to specify the row this item is, so which is going to be the first name. So I'm going to tell match, I want to look up this guy in this particular column, this particular one. Fix this up, then give me the exact match, right? Then comma again. Then I'm going to do match again. I want to find revenue in this row. Yeah, so I'm doing horizontal look now. So fix this and then give me the exact value. Then that will be all. Okay, so I need to put additional comma there. So this is done, bracket actually. So this is done now. So I'm having all the necessary revenue for this guy. So I need to check this, something is broken here. So what is broken? Let's see. Alright, so revenue have to be fixed. I need to fix this revenue guy. Right, it's fine. Yeah, and then we are done. So that is how you use index and match. So most of the one thing that I want you to understand about index and match is that it doesn't, what you're looking for doesn't have to be in this first row. So take for instance now, I can use, say we have first name here. Okay, so let me find a way to move this around. So let's say I'm going to move this. Alright, so I'm going to put it here, right? Okay, I cannot match cells. Yeah. Okay, so the thing is, let's say we have names here. Good. So let's say we are searching with these names, right? So let me just put at random. Let's say we have some name here, right? So let's say we have some random names. So I want to show you how this overcome some of the challenges that we have for this guy for Vlookup, right? So, okay, so this is the last name, right? Okay, right. So let's delete this now. So this is our first name. So what we want to look up is this guy, right? So let's use index and match again. You will say that I don't need to start my lookup reference from this. So look for this guy. So this is my array table. This is where I'm going to I want to find an item, right? So I'm going to fix this. I don't want this to move. This is fixed. Control 4 to fix. Alright, so again I want to look for the row number. To find the row number, this is going to be the name of this item, so I'm going to use match. So in match I want to look for this guy, this name, right? Where I want to look for this in last name. If it is Vlookup, whatever you are looking for has to be in the first column. So you need to start from this very first name. This last name have to be moved to be the first column as here, and then first column will be moved here. So you have to change the name. At the bin you are doing Vlookup or Lookup, but index and match doesn't care about where your item is. It's going to look for this item wherever it is on that table. So I'm going to search here. I'm looking for this guy here. Right, then give me the exact match. Okay, comma again, I'm going to look for what? I'm going to look for revenue, right? So get me this guy revenue from this, right? So this can be equally anywhere. Get me this revenue fixed, comma from here, fixed as well. Exact match. then another column, then we are done, and equally we are going to get this. Voila. So index and match doesn't care where what you're looking for is, either in the first column or last column or in the middle column. It doesn't care. It's going to get the item for you. So that is how you combine index with match to make it a powerful function. Then you can do index and match for status as well. So that is how you use index and match. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the offset concept, and then it's going to be very interesting. So see you in the next video.